Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download YouTube videos through the Reddit mobile app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, find the post that has the YouTube video you want to download. Tap on that post. Now click on three dots. From the menu, select the copy link. This will copy the link to the YouTube video. Now open the Safari on your phone. Go to the website that allows you to video download like y2mate.com or ssyoutube.com. In the search box, paste the link you just copied. Just press and hold, then tap paste. Once the video loads, we'll see a different options for quality and format. Choose the one you like, for example 720p for good quality, then tap download. Safari will ask if you want to download the file, tap download again and the video will start saving. To find it, tap the downward arrow icon in the top right of Safari. When it finishes, you can open the file directly from there. And that's it. Now you know how to download YouTube videos from Reddit mobile app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.